Hi dolls, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cupcake costume for Kelly. Now without further ado, let's get started. These are the materials that we are going to use. Some red paint, some light purple paint, a bottle cap, a paintbrush, a ruler, a styrofoam cup, some scissors, some fabric. The fabric should be approximately 11 by 2 inches or 28 by 4 centimeters. First, we will cut the cup to about 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. Then we will use the purple paint and the paintbrush to paint it. Once we're done painting it, we will put it to dry. Once it's dry, we will cut a hole on the bottom. Okay, now onto the bottle cap. We will paint the bottle cap red like a cherry. Next, we will sew the edge of the fabric like this. Here, I'm using a sewing machine, but a needle and thread work just fine. Then we will grab one of the pieces of thread and pull it like this, so the fabric looks frilly. Okay, now we will put the costume on Kelly. First, we'll put the cup on. Now we'll put the fabric. It's really coming together. Now the cherry on top. Don't forget her trick-or-treat bag. Now we're finished. Now Kelly is ready to go out trick-or-treating this Halloween. Thank you for watching our video. If you would like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel. If you have any ideas on any Halloween costume that you want to see, then please leave a comment below and we'll see if we can make it. Thank you. Si te gustaría ver este video en español, por favor, sigue este link. Gracias.